All right, hey guys, I just got my hands on a new Kindle Paperwhite. I was a Kindle fan for a number of years, and I had this trusty previous generation Kindle Paperwhite, and it treated me really well for a long time. And then finally, the screen finally became non-responsive. So kind of stinks because it otherwise works fine, but the screen just doesn't respond. And I tried resetting it and everything, but it just doesn't really work. So I had to get a new one. So this is the new one that I just got. So we'll take a look and see what this new guy is looking like. So it's quite literally brand new. So let's take a peek. Let's unbox this. It's the frustration-free packaging. Let's see just how frustrating this might be. And that was pretty easy. So let's see what's in the box. So here it is. Here's the new one. I got the white one this time to differentiate it from this old broken guy. So let's see. So here's what's in the box. Getting to know your Kindle, getting started's pretty easy. Amazon usually makes this stuff pretty easy going. Looks like they give you a power cable. No plug, just a USB. And a wrapped Paperwhite. It's supposed to be 300 dots per inch. So as far as the size form, they look pretty similar. Old versus new. The verbiage on the back went from Kindle to Amazon. And let's see. And that's now booting up. So I imagine I'll have to go through some setup, but this is what you're looking like. So there you have it. It's the new Paperwhite. Now that you have the screens both maxed. It's nice to have a screen that now responds. So thanks for taking a look.